welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, I am Dikshita Das and I would be really happy if you take a moment and subscribe down below. So today's video is all about testing out viral makeup hacks. So you can see the final result are pretty good. So don't miss out any of those. So guys, watch the full video to know how do I created my base, my eyeliner, body shimmer, my lipstick which is looking a bigger size, and obviously my eyeliner are of 2 shades. Why? Watch it till the end, and more, a lot more in the video, so don't miss out any part. So guys, enjoy the video and get to know the final look. So the first hack is the bees hack, and where did I saw the video? I forgot because there is so many 5 minute hacks. So I got a picture similar to that. So here is the picture, and so let's do it. So for the darker shade, I'm taking this. This is 5S27 of my shade, and it's from Krylon. I have a palette, so I'm doing from there. Okay, so I have primed my face first of all. I have done that. So So this is the bright skin tone which I am using, as the picture says, the highlighter, and it's FS29. It's done. So now I'm dabbing the highlight first, then I'm going to dab the contour. Now the time for contour one. I'm not doing from the same side. It's turning out great. Let's see till the end all the hacks are great or not. So this is the contour part. So now, keeping it aside, this is the Maybelline New York Cosmetics concealer. So you can use it for the dark circles and also for any kind of pimple you have it. For more highlights, nose and all, you can use it. I'm not using it now. So I've done all the steps. So now it's time for some hacks. So it was hack number 1 which I showed you guys. So the second hack is about, I'm going to do, there are so many hacks. Okay, fine.
2 hours later.
Okay, so for the second hack, I'm using eyeliner. So the video is this. So you have seen what they have done, and so I'm using a concealer instead of foundation, and I'm going to use this blue color, this one, because this one is little bit glittery, so I'm going to use this. So you can save your money by not getting any blue eyeliner or any color of eyeliners. So one eyes I'm going to do blue eyeliner, and another one is another hack from a liquid matte lipstick. It's Sugar's lipstick matte liquid lipstick matte, or I don't know what it is. Wait, matte lipstick. Okay, so it's matte liquid lipstick. I got it. I'm very bad at tongue twisters, so this I'm going to do that. And so for the first step is I'm taking a brush, thin little brush. Let's try it. So I did it, and now time for eyeshadow. Blue eyeshadow. So let's do it. Okay, so I hope you can see it, but let's make it, so let's make it a little more darker, because I think you cannot see it, but it's turning out to be pretty good. So I think you guys cannot see it for the light. So I'm going to show you the picture of this eye only. So it turned out to be like this. Because of the light issue, you guys cannot see it properly. So it turned out to be great. You can see it. I just loved it. But one problem, the eyeshadow portion, it comes down. Like even on my nose it is. And eyelashes too. It's blue eyelashes now. So if you want to create blue eyelashes, just put some eyeshadow, you can get it. So the next is the liquid matte lipstick. Finally got it right. I cannot apply this, it's already sticky. It's no more liquid because it's sugar, so it fine, let's try, because I guess I don't have any more matte liquid lipstick. It's not coming on. It's not coming. Oh, no. I have to get one more lipstick, so wait a second. So guys, I got it. It's Matte Me. Mate Me. I don't know which company it is, guys. So I'm going to use this. Let's hope it works. Yeah, it's working. If you guys don't know, I take a long time to apply eyeliner. I don't know why. I need perfection in applying eyeliners. So guys, you can see this eye and this eyes. So which one do you like more? Please leave a comment that blue or red, which one. So do like for my hard work and doing this eyeliner fast. It's really easy to do eyeliner more than any kind of eyeliners, I felt like. So the next hack is, so it's for body shimmer. You can see the video. So I'm taking some coconut oil in a bowl and highlighter. Actually, this is the only highlighter which is broken in my house, and it's very good. Actually, I broke it and it was my mom's, and I hid this and my mom couldn't find it. This is the real story behind it. But it's okay, I'm using it afterwards. She has forgotten about this, but after seeing my video, she's going to remember it. That's why I kept it a tissue. So this is the highlighter which I have broken. Miss Clear's one. She's going to do something to me. I don't know what. So this is ready. I'm applying it in my hand. I'm showing you 1 minute. Wait. And like this is the shimmery wala. So this one is the shining one and this one is the plain one. So you can see the difference. It's shining, the whole hand is shining, and it's not shining so much. It's like only oil, and this one is the shimmery one. You can see this one. I love this one, and obviously the oil will take it away like after some time, so only the shining part will be left. So it's lovely, you can see. So you have seen this shining, because for highlighter here it's not good. Okay, for the next tag the video is this. So I'm taking the coconut oil here in a bowl and I'm going to microwave it for 1 minute, and I'm going to use crayon. So I'm going to use this shade, pink one, for my lipstick, because the whole makeup is done, only the lipstick is left, right? Leaving the eyeliner because it's two color, but body, face, I'm not getting all body thing. So body, face, eyeliner, everything is done. So only the lipstick is left. So gonna microwave it for 1 minute and gonna give crayon and mix it. Let's see it works as a lipstick or not. And there is one more hack. Watch it. So I have dated the crayon after microwave for 1 minute. It took 2 minutes because the crayon is not this. Okay, so I got the color. So now if you can. So these are the particles and these are the colors. So the hack is your lips looking a bigger size. So zoom in. So I'm using it. Just check how I'm putting it because I saw in a hack. Let's see. So you can see the highlighted part. And there I'm going to apply this thing. So it's moreover like a gloss thing. Okay. So after putting it, you can see it's looking like this. Actually not bad for those who has thin kind of lips, but actually I don't need it because it's too big. And so this is the look. And to be honest, like it's oily now, afterwards it will be not, and it's really good for your lips. Oil is good. So hit the like button for this look and all the ideas if you got something. And 5 minutes craft is not really bad, so trying it out was fun. You can see chili and ice. Thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you haven't seen my previous videos, go have a look there and you will surely like it. And if you are going to recreate any of these, so go follow my Instagram, link in the description, and put it as a story or some post. I'm going to share it